Guys, this is Dave with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with a Fitbit Charge 2 tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix a Charge 2 LCD that looks defective. So on your initial unit, you want to go ahead and undo a clip here where you insert your ribbon. Pry that up, grab your LCD, insert the ribbon into the slot. After you do that, you want to go ahead and tighten the clip back up. So when you go to turn it on, this is most likely what it'll look like. It's going to be dim, the pixels are going to be off, and your display will be upside down. So to fix this, you want to go ahead and click the power button up until your device shuts down. So there it goes. You want to give it a couple seconds, and when you go and turn it back on, there's going to be a perfect display. All the parts and tools that are used in this video are available on our website and linked below. If you guys have any questions regarding this tutorial, comment in the comment section below and we will do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.